Now if you want to get a little bit more involved, a great way to run statistical tests is to add the data analysis pack. The way you're going to do that is click on File, go to Options, and click on Add-ins. And I have here under my inactive application add-ins, I'm going to select my analysis tool pack and click Go. And I'm just going to check the first one here, analysis tool pack. And it's going to load here, and you're going to find this in the Data tab. So over here you have your data analysis tool pack. So I'm going to click here and look at all of the different types. You can run ANOVAs, you can run correlation and regression, and here we have again our t-tests. So